Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a covered call on Thinkorswim. First, understand that a covered call means you own 100 shares of a stock and sell one call option against it. This strategy aims to generate income from the premium you receive. To start, log into your Thinkorswim platform and locate the Trade tab at the top of your screen. This is where we will build our order. Next, you'll need to select the stock you wish to write a covered call against. This should be a stock you already own, ideally in blocks of 100 shares. Then, look at the option chain and choose an expiration date. Many traders prefer monthly expirations, but weekly options are also available. Finally, select a strike price that is out of the money, meaning it is above the current stock price, to maximize your potential profit. Now, let's place the order. On the option chain, click on the bid price of the call option you want to sell. This will automatically populate an order ticket. Verify that the action is sell and the type is call. The quantity should be one contract for every 100 shares of stock you own. Double-check the premium you will receive and the total credit to your account before proceeding. This ensures your order is correct. After placing your covered call, it's crucial to monitor the trade. Keep an eye on the stock price in relation to your strike price. If the stock stays below your strike, the option will likely expire worthless, and you keep the premium. If the stock rises above the strike, you might consider rolling the option to a later date or a higher strike, or simply letting your shares be called away at the strike price. This strategy offers flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.